To replace the rear brakes on your Jeep Grand Cherokee, you must first retract the electronic parking brake using the Uconnect screen's service mode. Skipping this step will permanently damage the rear calipers when you try to compress the piston. Get inside your vehicle and turn the ignition to the run position without putting your foot on the brake pedal. You just want the electronics on, but the engine must remain off. Wait for the Uconnect system to fully boot up on the center display. Navigate to the Settings menu on your Uconnect screen. Scroll down until you find the Brakes menu. Tap on it and look for the option labeled Brake Service. Select this option to begin the retraction process. The system will prompt you to confirm that you want to retract the parking brake. Press Yes. You will hear a mechanical whirring noise coming from the rear wheels. This is the electric motors pulling the parking brake actuators back. Wait until the noise completely stops and a message appears on the screen confirming the brakes are in service mode. Turn off the ignition. You can now safely head to the rear wheels, remove the calipers, and push the pistons in using a standard compression tool. Once your new brake pads and rotors are installed, get back in the Jeep and turn the ignition back to the run position without starting the engine. Go back to the Settings, then Brakes, and select Brake Service again. Follow the on-screen prompt to deactivate service mode. You will hear the motors engage and recalibrate to the new pad thickness.